Good day everyone, this is Krista May S. Kabudoy and today we will be diving into an exciting topic in pre-calculus, the conic sections. These curves formed when a plane intersects a double napped cone, and there are four types of conic sections: the circle, the parabola, the hyperbola, and the ellipse. But for today's lesson, we will only be focusing on two of them, which is the circle and the parabola. And by the end of our discussions, we will be able to understand how these conic sections are formed, identify their standard equations, and describe the important parts such as the center, radius, vertex, and focus. Okay, let's start with the circle, the simplest conic sections. Perfectly round and equidistant from a fixed center point. And then we will move on to the parabola, a beautiful curve that opens in one direction and has many real-life applications such as satellite dishes and car headlights. So the standard equation of the circle is this. And where h and k is our center and while r is our radius. So let's have an example. Okay, so let's have an example. X minus 3, 2 plus y plus 2, 2 equals 16. So you can see here that our center is positive 3 and negative 2. Positive 3 and negative 2. And our radius is basically 4. So, why 4? Because the square root of 16 is 4. So if you're going to ask me why naging positive siya here when dito is negative siya. So, whatever is inside the parentheses, you take the opposite sign to find the actual coordinate. So, if this one is positive, then it will become negative 3. And if this one is negative 2, then it will become positive here. So that's why it's like you get this opposite sign. So if you plot this on a graph, it's a circle centered at positive 3 and negative 2 with a radius of 4 units. So wait, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 3 and negative 2. So this is our center here. So the radius is basically 4. So we will go up like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will circle it, and this is done. So let's move on to the parabola. So let's start with the basic idea. So a parabola is the set of all points that are the same distance from a fixed point called the focus and the fixed line called the directrix. And now, depending on how the parabola opens, whether it opens up, down, left, or right, the equation changes slightly. So here are the 4 standards forms. So number 1 is XH, 4 CYK. So this is a parabola that opens upward. The vertex is at point H and K. And the value of C tells us how far the focus and directrix are from the vertex. So number 2, x minus h equals negative 4c y minus k. So this one opens downward since the negative sign flips the direction. So for number 3, y minus k 2 equals 4c x minus h. So this parabola opens to the right. Again, the vertex is h and k. So for number 4, y minus k 2 equals negative 4c x minus h. So this one opens to the left. And so basically when x is squared, the parabola opens up or down. When the y is squared, the parabola opens left or right. So okay, so let's have an example number 1. So x plus 2 to 12 y minus 3. So basically the vertex is negative 2 and positive 3. So as I said earlier, you will get the opposite sign. So basically it turns, so here is positive and here it will become negative, same as here. So for number 2, you will identify the opening. So since the first letter here is x and the number here is positive, so it is upward. And for the number 3, locate the focus C. So C equals number 4 and equals. So the number C here is, we have 12. So we will put 12 here. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we are done of number 3. And number 4 is, we will plot the directrix. So negative C is equals to what number is in here? It will become negative 3. And for the number 5, solve for the lactus rectrum 2C. LR equals 2C. So the C here is the number right, and 2 is like the 2 times, we have the number 3. 2 times 3, so it is equals 6. So that is our lactus rectrum. So we will going to plot this one. So we will draw a Cartesian plane. So the vertex is, we have the vertex is negative 2 and positive 3. Negative 2, so this is the negative 2. Negative 2, this is the negative 2. And positive 3, so here. This is our vertex. And the focus. Let's locate the focus. So our focus is 3. So the opening is upward, so we will go up since the opening is upward. So we will go up. The focus is the focus is 3. 1, 2, 3. So here is the focus. And for the directrix, it is -3. As we can see here, it is -3. So we will go down since it is directrix. So we will go down. 1, 2, 3. So here is the directrix. Yeah, that's the directrix. And for the lactus rectum, solve for the lactus rectum. So we already solved for it. So it is equal 6. This is the lactus rectum, so it is equal 6. So we will go like here. We will start here in the focus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is, so other here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, and we're all done. This is our parabola.